Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply video transitions using Adobe Premiere Pro. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel to stay updated. To begin with, I have added these 4 videos to the timeline to video track 1. I have added these videos one after the other like this, and if I play them, you'll see that they switch immediately from one to the next because there are no video transitions at the moment. To add video transitions in between these videos, we have to navigate to Effects, and then under Effects, find and expand Video Transitions. And here you'll find a variety of transitions. So the very basic one, Dissolve. Now if I expand Dissolve, take this additive Dissolve, drag and drop it in between these 2 videos. And here you'll see that we have now added transition. So if I replay the video, this is our dissolve transition. Okay. Now, if I take something different, film impact distortions, let's say flicker impacts, drag and drop it in between these 2 videos now. Replay. Okay, that was some sort of shake effect. And the last one, let's try this Transformers effect, 3D roll impacts. Drag and drop it in between the last 2 clips. Okay, that's an interesting one. Okay, so this is how you add video transitions, but you can also click on the transition itself. So if you click on the transition in between the 2 videos, on the left-hand side under Effect Controls, you'll find Transition Settings. You can adjust the duration of the transition or change the alignment. So you can center at cut, and as you can see, the transition is now positioned exactly in between the 2 videos. You can start at cut or end at cut. And accordingly, the transition moves left, center, or right. Okay? So you can play around with these settings and see what fits best for your project. And this is it, guys. This is how you add video transitions in Premiere Pro. I hope this is useful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.